Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer docs from Confluence to Notion Workspace step by step clearly. To transfer documents from Confluence to Notion, begin by preparing your Confluence pages for export. Log into your Confluence account and navigate to the space that contains the documents you want to move. Select the pages or documents you wish to export. Once selected, look for the ellipsis menu, usually found at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Export. Choose the export format best suited for your needs, typically HTML or PDF. After the export is finished, download the exported file to your computer. Next, open your Notion Workspace in a web browser or app. Create a new page in Notion where you want to import your Confluence documents. In the new page, click on the Import option from the left sidebar. Select Text and Media if you're importing HTML files. Upload the exported Confluence file you downloaded. Notion will start the import process and convert the content for you. Once the import is complete, review the content for formatting issues or any missing elements. Make any necessary edits to ensure the documents look correct in Notion. Organize your newly imported documents in Notion by adding tags or placing them in folders. Finally, double-check all links and media to confirm they transferred successfully. Your Confluence documents are now successfully transferred to your Notion workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.